Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to stop people apps run in background on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To stop people app run in background on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Apps, and left hand click on Apps and Features. Now scroll down. Here you will find the app People because it's by default installed on all Windows 10 computer. Click on People, and here you will find an advanced options. Click on advanced options. Scroll down. Look, here you will find background app and it's turned on. To stop run this app in background, just click here to turn it off. Now People app is stopped to run in background on my Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.